This recipe for Mexican lasagna is insanely delicious, and according to my followers, is one of my most popular recipes of all time. Now the reason for this is that it's so easy to make. It doesn't take long, the ingredients are easy to find, and there's a very high chance the whole family will smash it and clear their plates. Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie, and in this video from my high protein kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican style tortilla lasagna. This recipe is packed with colour, flavour, protein and delicious cheesiness. In fact, I go as far to say that I actually prefer this to a traditional lasagna. If you've not made it before, you are in for a treat. This is how you do it. I think about 99% of recipes start this way, or at least mine certainly do anyway. Peel your onion and slice it, and then chop it into small bits and set it aside. So that's what you're going to do. And then do the same with 3 mixed peppers. Now I'm only using 2 in this video because at the time of recording there's a bit of a shortage in the UK, but it should be 3 peppers, and the same with 1 chili pepper. I take the seeds out so it's not too hot for the kids, but you can do whatever you like. At this point in the video, it would be splendid if you could hit that like button, it really helps me out. Then you want to fry those veggies for a few minutes until they start to turn golden brown. Use a little bit of oil or low calorie spray and cook them on a medium heat. Once they're pretty much cooked, add 2 garlic cloves and fry for 30 seconds to a minute more. Once your garlic is cooked, you're going to add in your beef. We are using about 750 grams of 5% fat minced beef. You can use other kinds of mince as well. You can use turkey mince or pork mince, but I prefer using beef mince, but you can do whatever you like. Then you want to add 2 tins of chopped tomatoes along with some sweet corn. I'm using sweet corn from a tin, and then 3 tablespoons of fajita seasoning. If you don't have that, you could use Cajun spice instead, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Give all that a good mix through, and then you want to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce starts to thicken up and the tomatoes have all broken down. Then you want to get a large lasagna dish and put a layer of the mince mixture at the bottom, and then rip up some tortilla wrap. I'm using the lighter ones, which are normally about 100 calories each, but you can shred it all up, pop it on top of the mince, and then you're going to do another layer of the mince on top of that, followed by another layer of tortillas, topped with a final layer of mince. Then the fun part, and that is adding all the lovely cheese. You'll probably be surprised at how much cheese you actually get to use on this lasagna. 150 grams is quite a lot, and then pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Once it's ready, all you need to do is plate it up. I mean, how good does that look? It is so cheesy and meaty and delicious. And I'm garnishing with some coriander, but you can also give it a bit of a squeeze of lime. You can put sour cream on it. Just go to town with the garnishes and then just get stuck in. So there we go, pals. That is Mexican lasagna, and that is what I'm about to eat. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you've not made it before, I think you probably should, because lots and lots of people say it's one of their favorites, and it is one of my favorite recipes. When people say like what's in my top 3, I would usually say the Mexican lasagna. So if you are a new follower, then please do subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Make sure you click the like button before you go, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Mexican lasagna. Thanks again for watching. I'm off to go and eat this. I'll speak to you later.